Y'all ready?
Yeah, you're rolling.
Oh, okay.
Are you live?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm sitting here with my brother OG Ryder, and he has some things on his mind. You know, been through some things that make me talk about his past too much. But you know, introduce yourself. Mike. So we got some things on your mind. Let's go with it.
Well, you already know, man. It's your boy, man. OG Ryder. Live and direct with you. You know, me and big brothers chopping it up, man, and speaking real life situations. That's all. You gave me a lot to think about last time you had me on, man.
What we were talking about was, you know, that the thing we have in common is that we fight for love. You know what I mean? And some people can see love in a different way. There's things that have happened in our lives that as young people and young men, we didn't consider trauma. It was normal. But it defines who we are and the way we react to things. But being aware of certain kinds of trauma and understanding what you're fighting for, then you know how to fight the right fight. So what's the right fight for you moving forward?
Honestly, change. But change is different for me, man. You know? It ain't just about me. So, you know, moving forward, it's about transition. Really. Like you always say, relax. I just want to change for not only me, for everybody around me also. Because it plays a part in me.
Well, my thing is you survived a lot. You've gone through a lot. In every situation that I've heard about and that I've seen, regardless of how you felt in that moment, you've dealt with it. So if you have a consistent pattern of dealing with things, why worry? Why not relax? You know that you're a general and that regardless of what, you're going to deal with it. You always do, you're undefeated.
It's like a catch-22, bro. Because sometimes, you know, you will understand yourself and you understand the moment. You know you're going to figure things out, right? But you also feel the pressure from your people, you know?
So you feel the energy of their concern.
Indeed. Because
Yeah, but you have
goes
to,
back to them.
but you know, me, I've learned how to not worry when other people worry. Especially when I'm the one that has to provide. I be like, yo, I should worry. You should worry. I'm the one that got to provide. You feel me? And I'm not worried. Because we always get provided. We're always provided for. You know, the one thing that I like about you is you and everyone you around is always fresh. You take pride in that. Right?
Yeah, we got to do that. That's what it's like. You know, cleanliness is next to godliness.
But just in general, like, I've never, even when you tell me you're struggling, you don't be looking like you're struggling. It just looks like you're mentally struggling. You're always all right.
Yeah.
But you're already worried.
Just that, a mental struggle. That's what it be a lot of time. You know, I'm in a no-worry circle. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't supposed to have no worry.
Exactly.
Like, ain't no worry.
You in the no worry circle for the last half
see,
a
when you
decade.
mix, you know, I'm in the no-worry circle, but then I have those that's not in the elite club. So when I go sit at that table, them concerns bother me. Them concerns stick to me because it's genuine.
But that's the reason why you're in the club is because despite everything, you work it out.
Indeed.
So when our brother Jay Black said, Joe, because Jay Black, I ain't gonna lie, he ain't co-signed nobody in like 20 years. He opened the books for you. I promise you that.
I gotta respect that though. Shout out to my brother, man. Shout out to
You know what I'm
Black,
saying?
man.
Like,
Shout out to Black brother.
like, dang, I know you don't like fucking with nobody new, but I think he's different. That's what he told me.
And you know what's crazy, bro? I don't even understand. Like, I had this conversation with my lady the other day. Like I said, I don't know why bro loved me how he loved me. He would have been jump ship if he didn't. Like, it's things he saw in me in times when I had a dark life, man, a dark moment. He always believed in me, always told me, man, you'll figure it out. When I thought I ain't had no answers, man. And that shit's it's amazing to me, though, for a person to believe in you that much, man, to have that much genuine love and respect for it.
That's why you shouldn't work.
Man, you got a point, though. That's like you said, it's disrespect, you know? That's called disrespect.
It's
when I work.
disrespecting the
like
I worry club.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
You
That's
rock
a
star,
good
you don't worry.
I can't disrespect the rock
Don't
star
worry.
club.
Yeah. So, you know, we got this OG stories that we're editing about you. We got a movie we're making about you. We got documentary. We got a lot going on. you know, and it'll all play itself out. Everything that we said we're gonna do, we're gonna do. You know, and until then.
And you know what's crazy? Because it started from a vision. That's one of the pressures. Like years go by, right? You know, it's a stigma, man, being next to you. You know what I'm saying? It's a stigma, bro. Like I leave from next to you, people see me in the street and they think, you made it. I ain't make shit. I made a trip to go see my brother and came back.
And I ain't make it yet.
You know what I'm saying, bro?
But I didn't make it yet.
In your way, yeah.
Because you made it around your circle, you made it.
But you say that too that I made it. I don't
Nigga, they call you OG. You the youngest OG I know.
I mean, you made it, bro.
Depending on what circle you're in.
I respect that.
So in my circle, I ain't making it. Until I really got, you know, ability to look at, then I ain't making it. Until you not worried, because everyone I love ain't worried, I ain't making it.
I'm worried forever.
Now,
I know that, bro. I just want to drive you crazy like that.
Nah, but you ain't nothing to worry about. There's nothing to worry about.
We're going to make sure that.
There's nothing to worry about. We good.
I like that.
We good.
I like that.
So,
genuine.
you know it is. It's been consistent. We've sat in the lake when we both had the same kind of problems and we just were chilling, right?
I mean, it started from nothing, man. Like, I didn't even see this. When you saw it, you studio, I'm looking at you like you crazy as shit, bro. Like, what you mean? You say, I'm telling you what I mean. Warner Brothers. And I know Warner Brothers. I'm saying to myself, okay, well, how the hell, where, how you do that, bro?
How am I doing on the run?
Yeah, like, how the fuck?
We did it.
Oh, man. That's real. Because the day you hit us up, it's like, man, what's up? I'm in L.A. And we came to the crib, man, and you did it. Real talk. Not a little crib either. $12, $13 million, man.
You're doing all right.
So it's like, yeah.
You're doing all right.
It's all right.
On our turn.
That's
So
right.
stay tuned. OG Rider, OG Stories, documentary movie. And you know, when he comes through, he has things on his mind. He's very prolific, a very intelligent guy. I'm gonna put the cameras on. And also I'm looking for that editor, because we gotta do this edit. We
got the movie coming, man. I know y'all getting real impatient out there, man, but I promise y'all, you know, perfection takes time, man. My big brother on Lacey, because it's dealing with all actual fact events, and that's why you always be trying to get me to talk about it. I be trying to keep quiet, but he always expressed.
Well, you survived a lot.
Yeah, I came from the shit, man. You gotta open up about it. You know what I mean?
What you learned from it, you survived a lot of things most didn't, in a way most won't. And you still have a very positive outlook on life, and you're still doing things for you and others that you love. And you're in the General Rockstar Club. So we
General
good.
Rockstar Club. I like that, man.
Yeah.
General Rockstar Club. That's different.
It's different.
It's different, okay?
All right, so we signing off. You know what I mean?
But you know, shout out to Joe, man, for making a lot of things happen out here, man. And shout out to my big brother, man, Black Gold. You know,
Black Gold Sleep. That's what I was gonna call him. Let me call Jay, but let me talk to my nigga
he
first.
knocked out, man.
I'll call him. And we good. Bootsy, all of y'all, North Carolina,
Boots,
North.
man.
Everybody.
Boots, what up, Boots? Big
Alright.
Boots making things happen, man.
Absolutely. All right, y'all. Signing off. How? All right, we good. So what? Nothing to make you at?
No.
Can we play the? Let's play the Kanye shit. Taylor.